me, look. Okay. These people are not concentrating. Okay, if no concentration, I will have to give penalty for whoever makes a mistake, okay? So nice! Penalty, okay? Penalty. Okay, so for making a mistake, you get a kiss. I love my job. So good! So good! I love you! So good! So good! I love you! So good! You made a mistake! What's the penalty?
With tongue! With tongue! With the
You have to
tongue!
kiss me because I cannot reach you.
Give me some tongue!
What tongue? Excuse me? I'm a Filipina. If it's your tongue, you have to pay me. Come on. Your perfume. What's your perfume? Is that the lady from Calvin Klein? I think it's Sunshine, right? Are you sure? Because I can smell. You know, Sunshine is the lady from Calvin Klein. When you spray it, you smell like you stay in the sun the whole day. A big hand for our friend over here, Sadis, and of course, Shan over here for being such a good friend.